Do we love our children? Do we see them as extensions of our own selves, our body, our mind, and our consciousness? If so, then do we love ourselves? Because if we do not love our body, love our mind, and love our consciousness, how do we love our extension, our children? Do we love our children? If we love our children, we will listen to them and not be lost in judgments over them. Do we love our children? If we love them, we will not compare them with another child or ourselves. We will appreciate them for who they are. Do we love our children? If we love our children, we will not place the burden of fulfilling our unmet desires on them. We will let them live their lives fully. Do we love our children? If we love our children, we will give up the companionship of anger and fear within our own minds so we can be present to them. Wallowing in suffering states looks meaningless. Do we love our children? If we love our children, we would not bind them into dogma and division of any kind. We will let them flower as global citizens filled with love for all life. Do we love our children? If we love our children, let us dissolve all the violence within ourselves, in our families, and in our environment. We will nurture them in a peaceful environment. If we love our children, let us learn to live in peace within ourselves, with our loved ones, and with life. For our children do not become what we advise them to. They do not own our advice. They absorb our state into their hearts. Let us be loving cradles for our children's consciousness. For ours is only to nurture the greatness that is already present within them.